Sekretaris Jenderal Nato Jens Stoltenberg menyambut penarikan Rusia dari kota Kherson di Ukraina dengan hati-hati. Stoltenberg menyebut aliansi Nato berkontribusi atas pencapaian Ukraina melawan invasi ilegal Rusia. Stoltenberg menyebut jika benar Rusia mundur dari ibukota Kherson, itu akan menjadi kemenangan lain bagi Ukraina. Kami telah mencatat pengumuman Rusia untuk mundur dari Kherson, kata Stoltenberg. Kita harus melihat bagaimana situasi di lapangan berkembang dalam beberapa hari mendatang, kata Sekjen NATO ini saat jumpa pers bersama Perdana Menteri baru Italia Giorgia Meloni. 10 November dikutip Tribun Timur dari media resmi NATO. Yang jelas adalah bahwa Rusia berada di bawah tekanan berat dan jika mereka meninggalkan Kherson, itu akan menjadi kemenangan lain bagi Ukraina, kata Sekretaris Jenderal aliansi itu. Ukraina mengatakan pada hari Kamis bahwa pasukannya telah merebut kembali selusin desa di wilayah Kherson Selatan, sehari setelah Rusia memerintahkan pasukannya untuk mundur dari kota tersebut. Pada saat yang sama, dukungan yang belum pernah terjadi sebelumnya yang diberikan oleh sekutu NATO, termasuk Italia, membuat perbedaan di medan perang setiap hari dan tetap penting bagi kemajuan Ukraina, kata Stoltenberg. Kemajuan itu terjadi kurang dari sehari setelah Moskow memerintahkan pasukannya untuk mundur dari seluruh kantong yang dikuasai Rusia di tepi barat Sungai Dnipro, termasuk kota Kherson, satu-satunya ibu kota regional yang direbut Rusia dalam 9 bulan perang. Pejabat Ukraina sejauh ini sebagian besar waspada di depan umum, memperingatkan bahwa Rusia mungkin masih berencana untuk berperang dan menabur kehancuran di jalan keluar mereka. Menteri Pertahanan Rusia Jenderal Sergei Shoigu menyebut pasukannya mundur dari Kherson untuk menghindari korban sipil, dan pasukan Rusia mengingat minimnya suplai ke garis depan di tepi barat Sungai Dnipro. Rusia membantah melakukan pelanggaran terhadap warga sipil meskipun membombardir daerah pemukiman selama konflik. Mereka telah mengevakuasi ribuan warga sipil dari daerah Kherson sebelum memutuskan mundur dari sana.
Grazie mille per avermi dato il benvenuto a Roma.
La volontà dell'Italia di partecipare
the will of Italy to participate and be involved as a protagonist in a serious manner. We are a serious country and loyal country. We've proven it up to now. We will continue to do so. Thank you.
Prime Minister Meloni, dear Georgia, thank you so much for welcoming me to Rome, and it's always great to be back here, and many congratulations to you on your appointment as the Prime Minister of Italy. I look forward to working closely with you, and I also welcome your strong personal commitment to NATO, to our transatlantic alliance between North America and Europe. And it is important that we work closely together, especially at this critical moment for our security. Italy is one of the founding members of our alliance, and you play a key role in the NATO alliance. European security is being challenged. President Putin is waging a brutal war of aggression against Ukraine. But we have seen how the Ukrainian armed forces have been able to push back Russian forces and liberate territory. These gains belong to the brave, courageous soldiers of Ukraine. At the same time, the unprecedented support that NATO allies, including Italy, has provided is making a difference on the battlefield every day and remains vital for the Ukrainian progress. We have taken note of the Russian announcement to retreat from Kherson. We have to see how the situation on the ground develops in the coming days. But what is clear is that Russia is under heavy pressure. And if they leave Kherson, it would be another victory for Ukraine. Italy stands shoulder to shoulder with other allies to keep the peace in Europe and to support Ukraine for as long as it takes. Italy leads NATO's new multinational battle group in Bulgaria, and your troops serve with NATO forces in Latvia. Italian jets keep the skies safe with NATO air policing from the Black Sea to the high north. Your ships are part of NATO's patrols in the Mediterranean and beyond, and you provide the commander of our KFOR peacekeeping mission in Kosovo, building stability in the Western Balkans. and an Italian commander leads NATO's training mission in Iraq, helping Iraqi forces counter terrorism. Italy also hosts many important NATO facilities, including Joint Force Command in Naples and our alliance ground surveillance force in Sigonella. I welcome the important contributions Italy is making to help Ukraine uphold its right to self-defense. You have given hundreds of millions of euros worth of humanitarian and financial support to Ukraine. Today in our meeting we also discussed challenges coming from the south. NATO is vigilant. With our Sea Guardian operation, we regularly are patrolling in the Mediterranean, a mission to help counter illegal migration in the Aegean, and capacity building for our partners in the Middle East and North Africa. In a more dangerous world,